In today's fast-paced world, processed foods have become a staple in our diets, offering convenience at the expense of nutritional value. But have you ever wondered how these seemingly harmless products impact your gut health? The gut, often referred to as our second brain, plays a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and even mood regulation. So, what happens when it's constantly exposed to processed foods packed with sugar, artificial additives, and unhealthy fats? Could these ingredients be silently undermining your gut balance and overall health? This video delves into the hidden dangers lurking in processed foods and their effects on your gut microbiome. We'll explore how these dietary choices disrupt gut function, the symptoms to watch for, and practical steps you can take to protect and nourish your digestive system. Ready to uncover the truth about your food and its impact on your gut? Let's begin. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive, limited time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Processed foods are items that have been altered from their natural state through various methods like cooking, canning, freezing, or adding preservatives. These foods are often convenient, have a longer shelf life, and are readily available. Examples include packaged snacks, ready-to-eat meals, and sugary beverages. But what exactly goes into processed foods? They often contain high levels of sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives. These ingredients help enhance flavor, texture, and shelf stability, but they come at a cost. High sugar content, for instance, can cause rapid spikes in blood glucose levels, while unhealthy fats and additives may disrupt the natural balance of your gut microbiome. The gut microbiome is a complex community of microorganisms living in your digestive tract. It plays a crucial role in breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and maintaining a balanced immune system. When your gut microbiome is healthy, it helps you feel good and function well. However, when it's disrupted, it can lead to a range of health issues. This disruption often starts with the types of food you consume. Processed foods, with their high sugar levels and artificial ingredients, can negatively affect the diversity and balance of gut bacteria. The excessive sugar feeds harmful bacteria and yeast, while artificial additives and preservatives can increase gut permeability, leading to inflammation and imbalanced microbiota. Understanding how processed foods impact your gut sets the stage for recognizing the symptoms and consequences of this imbalance. In the next section, we'll explore how these dietary choices manifest in your body, from common signs of gut distress to more serious long-term health effects. Do you find yourself consuming too much processed food? Did you learn something new here? Let us know in the comments. Processed foods can significantly impact your gut health in several ways, primarily through their sugar content, artificial additives, and low nutrient density. Let's break down how each of these factors contributes to gut disruption. High sugar content. Many processed foods are loaded with sugars, such as high fructose corn syrup and refined sugars. When consumed in excess, these sugars fuel harmful bacteria and yeast in the gut. These unwanted microbes thrive on sugar, leading to an imbalance in your gut microbiota, a condition known as dysbiosis. Dysbiosis can cause symptoms like bloating, gas, and digestive discomfort. Artificial additives and preservatives. Processed foods often contain artificial additives and preservatives to enhance flavor and extend shelf life. These chemicals can disrupt the gut barrier function, which is the lining of the intestines that controls what passes into the bloodstream. Compromised gut barrier function, sometimes called leaky gut, allows toxins and undigested food particles to enter the bloodstream, triggering inflammation and immune responses. Low nutrient density. Compared to whole foods, processed foods are often low in essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Fiber, found abundantly in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, is crucial for maintaining a healthy gut. It feeds beneficial bacteria and helps regulate digestion. Without enough fiber, gut bacteria become less diverse, and digestive issues can arise. High levels of trans fats and emulsifiers. Trans fats and emulsifiers, commonly found in processed foods, can negatively affect gut health. Trans fats are known to increase inflammation, while emulsifiers can disrupt the mucosal layer of the gut, further contributing to inflammation and leaky gut syndrome. Understanding how these factors affect your gut helps underscore the importance of dietary choices. In the next section, we'll look at the symptoms and long-term health effects of an imbalanced gut microbiome, providing insight into how these issues manifest and what you can do about them. Do some of the foods you eat lack nutrient density? Does some of your food contain high trans fat? Let us know below. When your gut health is compromised by processed foods, it can manifest in various symptoms and lead to long-term health issues. Recognizing these signs early can help you take action before more serious conditions develop. Common symptoms. One of the most noticeable signs of gut disruption is digestive discomfort. You might experience bloating, gas, or abdominal pain. These symptoms occur because an imbalanced gut microbiome can interfere with normal digestion and cause inflammation. Additionally, you might notice irregular bowel movements, such as diarrhea or constipation, which can be a result of poor gut function. Fatigue and mood changes. Gut health isn't just about digestion. The gut-brain axis, a communication pathway between your gut and brain, means that gut imbalances can affect your mood and energy levels. People with disrupted gut microbiota often report feeling fatigued and may experience mood swings or symptoms of depression and anxiety. This connection highlights how crucial a balanced gut is for overall mental well-being. Long-term health effects. Chronic gut disruption can lead to more serious health problems over time. Persistent inflammation caused by leaky gut syndrome can contribute to autoimmune diseases, where the immune system mistakenly attacks your own tissues. Conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, Crohn's disease, and ulcerative colitis are also linked to gut imbalance. Additionally, nutrient deficiencies may arise because an unhealthy gut struggles to absorb essential nutrients effectively. This can lead to problems like weakened bones, hair loss, and impaired immune function. Addressing gut disruption. Identifying and understanding these symptoms is the first step toward improving gut health. In the next section, we'll explore practical strategies to protect and restore your gut, including dietary changes, incorporating gut-friendly foods, and making informed food choices. Taking proactive steps can help you achieve and maintain a healthier gut, ultimately benefiting your overall health and well-being. Taking steps to protect and restore your gut health is crucial for overall well-being. By making informed dietary choices and adopting gut-friendly habits, you can help maintain a balanced microbiome and prevent the negative effects of processed foods. Reducing processed food intake. The first step toward better gut health is to minimize your consumption of processed foods. Start by reading food labels carefully to avoid products high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains are excellent choices that support gut health. Incorporating gut-friendly foods, including foods that nourish your gut microbiome, can make a significant difference. Prebiotics and probiotics are key players in maintaining a healthy gut. Prebiotics, found in foods like garlic, onions, and bananas, provide nourishment for beneficial bacteria. Probiotics, found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut, introduce beneficial bacteria into your digestive system. Together, these foods help support a diverse and balanced gut microbiota. Reading labels and making informed choices. Understanding food labels is essential for making healthier choices. Look for products with minimal ingredients and avoid those with long lists of artificial additives and preservatives. Choose foods that are high in fiber and nutrients to support digestive health and overall nutrition. This not only benefits your gut but also improves your overall health. Maintaining a balanced diet. A balanced diet rich in fiber, healthy fats, and a variety of nutrients supports gut health and helps prevent imbalances. Incorporate foods like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds into your meals. Drinking plenty of water also supports digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut environment. Next steps. Implementing these strategies can lead to noticeable improvements in gut health. In the final section, we'll recap the main points and provide additional tips for maintaining a healthy gut long term. Embracing these habits will help you enjoy better digestion, enhanced mood, and overall well-being. Processed foods, with their high sugar content, artificial additives, and low nutrient density, can significantly disrupt your gut health. By recognizing the signs of gut imbalance and understanding the consequences of poor gut health, you can take proactive steps to make a positive change. Reducing your intake of processed foods, incorporating gut-friendly prebiotics and probiotics, and making informed dietary choices are all essential strategies for nurturing a balanced gut microbiome. Your gut health is a cornerstone of your overall well-being, impacting everything from digestion to mood. Start today by evaluating your diet and choosing foods that support gut health. Embrace whole, nutrient-rich foods and be mindful of what you're putting on your plate. Your gut, and your whole body, will thank you. Commit to these changes and experience the benefits of a healthier, happier digestive system. Let us know your thoughts below on the changes you'll be making to your nutrition. Thank you for watching.